Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, babies. Good afternoon, Varnika. And
Good afternoon.
hi, and Tanya.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Myra. And Sharanya. And hi, Advik. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Hi. How are you, Abhinav? Hi, Mokshi. Hi, Vidya. Good afternoon, baby. And good afternoon, Amanda. Good afternoon. Hi, Mugdha.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Sai.
Good afternoon.
Good
Hi,
afternoon.
Ma'am, this is my first class.
Oh, it's your first class. That is first class. That is your
Ma'am,
first
me too.
Oh, hi, Mugdha. Very good. And hi, Nikshit. Hi, Satvika.
Hello, ma'am.
Anna. Hi. Hi, Kavya. Hi, Incha. Oh my goodness, Inchara. Look at you. You're looking so pretty. Like a doll. My goodness, you're all dressed up. Hi, Anuradha. Hi, Arna. Hi, Shividha. Hi, Ria. Hi, Aisha. And hi, Leena. Okay. Who has got a brother? Nitya. Oh. Hi, hi, Jyotina.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Oh my God, Ayantika, look at you. Halloween dress. My
Hello, ma'am.
I'm scared. I'm really scared. Ayantika, you are which is that? My God, oh, I'm really scared. I'm scared. Oh.
No.
Hi Sanvi. Hi Vividha. Hi Adira. Hi Bhavani. Hi Vidya. Hi. Hi Ankita. Sunaya. Hi. Hi Sunayana Rao. Hi. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. Okay. Aha, I can see so many people. Great. Are you all ready to have a super fun session today? Show
Good
me.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This is not morning. This is afternoon. This is not morning. It's already 12 o'clock.
Good afternoon. Happy Lakshmi Puja.
Happy what?
Happy Lakshmi Puja.
Oh, say so. Oh, wow. Let me ask you questions. Can I ask you questions to you? And whosoever wants to talk will raise hand. One by one we will all talk so that everyone can hear us. Okay, is that fine? Okay. Now I want to ask who all have done brush in the morning by themselves. Who all are smart kids? Show me your hand. Who all have done brush by themselves? My goodness, so many kids. None of you have really. None of you have taken help from mom. Really? Wow, that's super. Great. And I mean, like, have you all cleaned your teeth properly, like everywhere? Front teeth, back teeth, side teeth. Really, you all have cleaned your teeth properly. Wow, great. Wow. Now let me see who all can count their teeth and tell me how many teeth do they have. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, count. Count, count. Yes. How many teeth do you have? Who will tell me? 20. Oh my God. 24. Great. And how many teeth Amaya has? Adwait, how many teeth do you have? 24. Great. Yes, Ayantika, very nice. You are raising your hand. 21. Great, Ayantika. Brilliant. Okay. One by one. Everyone will speak one by one. Okay. Now, who will tell me that all have followed morning routine? Like, who all have hugged their mama and said, I love you, mama. I love you, papa in the morning. Who has done that? Because mama really, Abhinav? Great. And Anuradha, my God. Adira, did you do? Wow, Adira. Oh, Mokshi, did you forget? You all can run to your mama, papa and just hug them. Quickly go to your mama, papa and hug them. I love you, mama. I love you, papa. Quickly, I want to see. Oh, Kavya, are you doing that?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow, Varnika, so sweet. Well done. See? Great. Okay, now who will tell me that which is your favorite character? Which character do you like? Like Frozen or Peppa Pig?
Batman.
So which character do you like? One by one. Raise your hand. I'll call the name. Raise your hand who wants to speak. Okay, Aisha. Aisha, tell me, which character do you like? Batman. Wow. And okay, Amaya, you're raising your hand. Can't hear anything. One by one. Raise your hand. I'll call your name. Yes, Amira. Tell me, Amira. Yes, Amira. Ah, Disney princesses. Brilliant. Oh, great. Now, Kavya, you tell me. You like Elsa. And Vividha and Udnur, tell me, which character do you? Batman. Oh. And Sonia sing. Mama is making. Oh, and Anvesha. Ah, okay. And Mokshi and Hansuja. And you tell me, which character do you like? Okay. And oh, great. And Dikshit, and Fiona, tell me which character do you like? Elsa. Even I like Elsa. Magic. I love it. And
I like Paw Patrol and Go Gators.
wow, Dikshit, great. And what about Vividha and Bhavli? Raise your hand. I will ask you. Okay. Now, one more thing. Let me ask you. What is yes, Thanya? Thanya, tell me.
Can you begin the story?
Yeah, I will. I just want to talk a bit before I
Please start the story session.
Okay. I am muting you all because you all are making noise. No worries. Fine. I will talk to you in the later. Okay? Now, who all wants to listen the story? Show me a thumbs up. Yeah, even I like to hear the story. Okay. So today's story is about Dev and Kavi. Now let me quickly share my screen and see what is in the story today. Just a second. There you go. Can you all show me thumbs up if you can see my screen? Okay, great. So, today's story is about Dev and Kavi who learned something special. Let's see what do they learn. Weekly story session. About me, my name is Sakshi and I am a personality development trainer and I love to do a lot of fun activities with kids. Like you all, I can play entire day. I love doing so many fun activities. Alright? So, story session, Avignam, let's see. Oh yeah, Dev Kavi learns good food habits. Oh, you know what? That is why I was talking about taking care of your teeth because we should have good food habits. That is how we can be fit and strong and intelligent, right? One day, Dev and Kavi were just playing. Wow, it's so much fun playing in the park. It is so good. But then Dev said, Kavi, I think we had a lot of fun. I'm feeling a bit hungry. Can we go home and let's eat something? Yes, Dev, you're absolutely right. I'm also a bit hungry. Let's quickly go home and have something really tasty. Both Dev and Kavi went to their home. When they reached their home, they saw, oh my God, there are so many chocolates and chocolate chip cookies. I love them. They're so tasty. I love it so much. Both Dev and Kavi were become so excited and they quickly grabbed all the chocolates. Let's eat them all. Yum, 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 yum. They're eating. Yum, 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 yum. Kavi said, Dev, they are quite so much. Shall we eat so many chocolates? Dev said, oh, come on, let's eat it. Yum, 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 yum. Don't think too much. Let's eat chocolate. We are hungry. Yum, yum, yum. After that, when they are done eating chocolates, see, they have eaten so many chocolates. They shouldn't have, but they have already eaten a lot of chocolates. Then Kavi said, I'm a bit more hungry, Dev. What should we eat more? Aha! We can see a big jar of chocolate butter cocoa chip cookies. What do you say, Kavi? Shall we eat? But Dev, we have already eaten a lot of chocolates. It's not really nice. Oh, come on, Kavi. Let us eat it. We are really hungry. Come on, let's eat it. It's gonna be so much fun. Then they grabbed so many cookies. Now they started eating it. Yum, 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 yum. They have eaten their cookies also. Oh my God. After eating cookies, they are now, oh, we have eaten a lot of cookies and chocolates. Oh, we are stuffed. What? Let's take some rest, huh? We have already eaten a lot. Let's just take some rest. Oh no! Oh no, my tummy hurts. My tummy hurts, Kavi says. What? Your tummy also hurts. Even my tummy is aching really badly. Oh no! Oh, see? Can you hear the sound the tummy is making? Oh my! Oh, it's paining so badly. My tummy is aching. Now came the sparkly, Beautiful. Uni Didi. Hi Dev and Kavi. What happened? Why you are looking a bit weak? Oh, Uni Didi, our tummy is hurting really badly because we were not eating right food. Okay. What were you eating? We were so hungry. We came out. Oh, sorry, we came after playing and we were just so hungry. We didn't think much. We just saw there were so many chocolates and cookies on the table and we quickly ate them all because we were so hungry. But now our tummy is aching so badly. We are really feeling pain. Oh my goodness, Dev and Kavi, what were you thinking? You know, eating a lot of chocolates and eating a lot of cookies and treats is not at all healthy. It will make your teeth ruin. It will ruin your teeth. It will make you feel. It will make your tummy hurt, right? Yes, Unity, and that is the reason we are feeling pain. Yeah. Now, will you tell me what is your? Can you identify exactly what is your problem? Yes, Unity, because we were eating a lot of wrong food. That is why our tummy is aching. Oh, great. Finally, you both have understood that eating wrong food is actually making your tummy hurt. Now, if you have a problem, then we always look for, tell me loudly everyone, we always look for solution. Say loudly, we always look for solution. Great. Yes. Now Unity asked Dev and Kavi that you have found a problem. Now can you think about the solution of your problem? Then Dev thought and said, yes, we should eat healthy food. We should eat healthy food. Yeah. And what are the healthy foods? Now Dev and Kavi both told. Dev told about the healthy foods, that drinking milk, eating fruits and vegetables, grains, and healthy nutritious diet is very good for our body and for our teeth. And Kavi told the unhealthy foods like burger, pizzas, ice cream, chocolates, cupcakes, these are treats and should be consumed occasionally. It should not be consumed daily and so much in quantity. Oh, great. Now both Dev and Kavi understood the concept of eating healthy and stay fit and should not eat a lot of treats just like that. We should eat them occasionally. That means sometimes and not too much. After that, Unity said, it's time for rainbow magic. Why? Because now you both have found a solution of eating healthy food. Now don't worry. I will do a rainbow magic and you will not feel the pain anymore. Now see, quickly, Unity has given rainbow magic and Dev and Kavi has turned happy. They're not feeling their pain anymore. They're not feeling the pain. They've become happy because this time Unity did the magic and she has helped them that they should not feel the pain. And now Dev and Kavi understood the meaning of healthy food. Wow. Can you all tell me who all like the story? Show me thumbs up who all like the story. Yay! Even I like the story. Great! Did Advik like the story? Vividha, did you like the story? Yay! We all like the story. Okay, now let me ask a very important question. What will you choose? Will you choose healthy food or will you choose unhealthy food? Show me your right hand if you choose healthy food and show me your left hand if you choose unhealthy food? Show me. Great, my God, you all kids are super intelligent. Yes, we will choose healthy food because we want to take care of our teeth and our body. If we eat a lot of unhealthy food, we will become weak and our teeth will also be ruined, right? Great. Okay. First, let me ask you one more thing. Okay. If suppose I'm going to a birthday party, to my friend's birthday party, what will I do? Suppose my friend is saying, oh, come on, eat more chocolate cake. I have got a chocolate cake. What should I do? Shall I eat the entire cake or shall I only eat a little bit cake? What should we do? You guys can unmute yourself.
Little bite. Little bit.
No, my uncle, some uncle has given me a lot of chocolates on my birthday. What should I do? Little only. Great.
Chocolate.
Okay. Great job. You guys have understood. Okay. Now, I will quickly share my screen to again show you some of you kids have shared the beautiful activities with me. Would you like to see that? Some thumbs up if you like to see that.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Let me quickly share my screen again. Okay. So first we have got Anna for Dashera and for Delicious beautiful artwork. Isn't it beautiful? Please clap for Anna. Well done, Anna. Great job. Well done, Anna. Well done. After Anna, we have got Nihan. Nihan also has made beautiful Ravan and beautiful artwork. In the Dashera artwork. It is beautiful, Nihan. Great work, Nihan. Clapping. Well done, Nihan. And after Nihan, we have got Myra. She has actually made a beautiful necklace. Paper bead necklace. It's super great. Amazing, Myra. Well done, Myra. Please clap for Myra. Good job. After Myra, we have got Mananya. Mananya has actually made colorful garlands from beads. Isn't it great? Please clap for Mananya. Good job, Mananya. After Mananya, we have got Sukhrup. Naughty Sukhrup has made a beautiful bunny mask and is so cute. Great Sukhrup. Clap for Sukhrup. After Sukhrup, we have got Varnika. Varnika, it is amazing. You have made this. It is so amazing, brilliant. Such a beautiful artwork. Beautiful Varnika. Well done. After Varnika, we have got Mahira.
I love you.
Can you all see how beautiful
I love you.
experiment rainbow she has made? You know what? I am posting experiments every week. Will you follow experiments? Experiments will make you more intelligent. Experiment will make you more intelligent. Yes, I am posting experiments every week. You should do experiments, okay? Show me thumbs up. Will you all do experiments? Yes! Well done, Mahira. Well done. It is amazing. After Mahira, we have got Vinisha. Vinisha has plant a flower so good and beautiful turtle. It's amazing, Vinisha. Great job, Vinisha. Great job. Well done. After Vinisha, we have got Lavya. Lavya has actually made a beautiful Ravan. Great job, Lavya. Lavya, brilliant. Well done. After Lavya, we have got Kavya. My dear, Kavya has done a beautiful Gujarati Garba dance. It is so beautiful. Amazing, Kavya. That's great. Please clap for Kavya. Well done, Kavya. Well done. Okay. You know what? You all should share your different activities with me. You know what? You will feel great. And I know that you all do great activities at home. You can share with me. And you know what? You guys should do experiments. I post experiments every week, some interesting experiments, and you can explore new experiments by yourself. Experiments will make you more intelligent. Okay? Show me thumbs up who all will do experiments. Good job. Okay. One last thing I just want to ask you all. Can you all tell me one by one? You can all raise your hands. Can you all tell me who wants to become what when they'll grow up? Can you tell me what will you become when you'll grow up? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Okay, Varnika, you tell me.
Ma'am, I want to become a doctor.
Wow. And what about Leah and Leona?
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, and what about Vanya and Aisha? What do you want to become? Riyansh? Tell me, Riyansh. Oh,
Fireman. I want to be a fireman.
oh, wow.
A fireman.
What? You want to become a fireman? Great. You all get it.
I want to become a police.
Really? Great. Wow. Great. Okay, who will tell me that
Astronaut.
astronaut? Wow.
Monica wants to
Fly to space.
you.
Great. Who will play a game?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Me.
Tell me. Yes, Aisha, tell me.
I cannot hear your voice.
Okay. I'll just mute you again so that you can hear me. Okay. Now just show me thumbs up who wants to play a game. Show me thumbs up. Okay. Now the game is this. When Kavi says something, you have to do that. And when Dev says stop, you have to stop. Are you all ready? Okay. For this, you have to stand up. All of you, stand up. Ready? Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Now let's do it faster. Stand up, sit down, 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 stand up, sit. Stop. Now Kavi says jump. Jump, come on, jump, faster. Jump. Come on, jump. Stop, everyone. Okay. Now Kavi says twist. Come on, twist. Come on, faster, twist, faster, twist. Stop, faster, twist, stop. Now Kavi says turn around, faster, turn around, Stop. Now Kavi says, shout loudly. Ah, shout. Ah, shout, shout. Who can shout? Who can shout? Shout, shout, shout. Ah. Stop. Stop. Kavi says, sit down. Again, sit down, stand up. Sit down, stand up. Sit down, stand up, 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 sit down, stand up. Stop. Now, Kavi says something interesting. Who can bring two objects of color green? Run, run, run. Bring two objects of color green. Come on, run. Bring two objects of color green. Green color two objects. Who can bring? Oh, yes. Well done, Mokshi. You are first. Mokshi, you're first. Great. Green pencil. Wow. Green box. Wow. Green, green, green. Two objects. Two objects. Wow. Come on, come on. Well done, Thanya. Well done, Varnika. Well done, Sai. Well done, Riyansh. Well done, Inshara, Namaira, Dania, Uzair. Well done, Yukta. Well done. Now Dev says, let me give you a difficult one. Can I give you a difficult one? Bring two objects of golden color. Run, come on, find two things of golden color. Come on, find two things of golden color. Come on, faster. Yes. This is not golden, Mokshi. Is it golden? Fast, find two golden. Well done, Inshara. Golden color. Brilliant, Inshara. Find something golden. Yes, golden bangle, Aisha. Brilliant, Faiz. Brilliant. Well done, Nikshit.
Ring.
Yes, ring. Well done, Kavya. Well done, Dalina. Well done.
Satvika.
Well done, Shiveda. Well done, Satvika. Wow. Now this time he says something different. Now bring two objects of alphabet D.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my name is Diva. My mother's name is Leena.
Okay. Okay, Diva.
Again?
Fine. Now Kavi says bring two objects of alphabet D. Alphabet D. D for day. Bring something, two objects of alphabet D. Run, run faster. I want faster. No, I think this is B for ball. I'm saying B for doll. Bring something from D. I think bring something from alphabet D. Yes, Leah and Leona. Doll. Dal. And what else?
Tiger.
That is T for tiger.
Ma'am.
D for doll.
D for
D.
doll.
Yes. Okay, now this time let me give you a difficult one. They
D.
will give you a difficult one. Shall I? Who can bring faster two objects of alphabet A? Alphabet A. Come on, faster. Bring faster. Run. Bring faster. Apple. Tiger. And Faiz. A for apple. Vanya, A for apple. What else? Riyansh also A for apple. Shivana also A for apple. Everyone is showing me apple. It's so tasty. I'm feeling apple.
A for rat.
A for ant. Now again, Kavi says, jump. Faster, who can jump? Jump, 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 jump. Again, jump, 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 jump. Faster, jump, 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 jump. Stop.
Give me that.
Now the last thing Kavi says, twist. Faster, twist, twist, twist. Twist, come on, twist. Twist, twist, twist. Twist. Faster, 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 twist. Stop. Okay, so we have come to an end of the session. Who liked the session? hope you all like the session. I liked it so much. You all were amazing. Antika, your bee is very cute, just like you. It's so cute. And you've got a kite, colorful kite.
It is.
Guys, promise me that you all will do morning chores.
These are the colors of the day.
Yes, and I will share a morning routine with you all so that early morning, please wake up, love your mama, papa, and who will do experiments? Show me thumbs up. Who all will do experiments? Yes, and who will do a lot of fun activities? Who will do? You all will share your fun activities with me on the group. Ask mama, papa.
I will do today on
Yes. Show me thumbs up. Who all will do this? Who all will share their activities?
Ma'am, starting only I'll do. I have a question.
What are you saying, Satvika?
Today only Satvika. Today itself night only I will do a creative thing.
Great. Oh, so
Today night.
amazing. Okay. Now bye
Today
bye.
night. Daily I do.
Session.
I have a question.
Bye,
I have a question.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye.